Hello, Nature Glow here with Nature Glow's Art and Science-y Center. Here I am at my sit spot, and it's August 20th, 2012, and it's a Monday. And it's really beautiful here today. I love how the sun is setting, and it's just a perfect mountainous climate here today. This late summer. So here's my sit rock. There's my walking stick. I've been exploring the woods more lately. My neighbor friend here has been bold, and he and I have been exploring those woods. And we've agreed if any neighbors discourage us, we would certainly stop, but even in plain sight, no one seems to have minded, so this has been wonderful to explore those woods. And actually beyond those woods is a field, an abandoned factory. I think it was a paper making factory or something like that. Anyways, it's abandoned, and beyond that are just miles and miles and miles of wilderness and trails to explore. So it's been very exciting to have this much access to wilderness. And he's actually a wilderness survivalist, an instructor of such, so it's been cool journeying with him. So just really beautiful. The leaves are starting to change just a little bit, some of them in their colors. We had a drought here, but we're not suffering as much as some parts of the United States. But there are some dead leaves on some of the trees, though you can't see them so much in this video, I guess. But I saw some earlier. The neighbor dogs are activated. The barking has been activated. So, got some lovely flowers here. I think these are pearly everlasting. They're just blooming here late summer. Very lovely indeed. I have a very special treat. I found a very tiny frog. And I want to see if he'll jump in my hand again without getting away. Oh, he's so tiny, I'm not even sure you can see him. I just had him on my hand. Just a spectacular moment. Oh my. He's playing peekaboo with me. Oh dear. I'm sure he can sense my nervousness. So Rochelle and I are here at Potomac State Park in Deer Park, Maryland. Hi. So I just decided that I had to hike today. It's been a really busy week, and I wanted to get outdoors, and here's where I am. So it's August 25th, 2012, and just look at this beautiful bubbling, gurgling stream here. And this lovely footbridge. So it's gorgeous today. It's cloudy out, so it's dark in the woods, but quite lovely. Alright, day number 2. Today is August 26th, 2012, Sunday, and Rochelle and I are here at Potomac State Park, and it's just gorgeous here. I'm really falling in love with this state park. fact, I would like to buy a house that backs up against the state park. It's so beautiful here. So I'm looking into that. It's actually a young forest, I'm told, or so I've read. And there used to be mining in this area, and this project that's going on here is to restore the land. So that's very exciting. I'm all about that. So, see what else I can show you today. So it actually rained here last night. It rained in Mount Storm as well, which we need rain because the nation has been suffering from drought, and I think we've gotten a little bit more rain than most states, but still it's drier than it should be as per this creek bed. So here we go, see where this trail leads us. So here we are at the falls. Beautiful place. So I'm getting ready to hike down the little path here. Beautiful deep pool here. Great place to swim. Hey Pickles, you want to come on down? What a wonder this place is. So I crossed the creek and I'm on the other side of the falls. There's where I was standing, up beside that apple tree. So, and I crossed over those rocks and crossed the creek right about there. And I found some walking sticks because the rocks are extremely slippery. So I found it very important to have two strong sticks to help me across, keep me from slipping. All right, herp students, here I have found a little herp. This is called a red eft. Type of newt, definitely an amphibian. And these are actually pretty slow moving. I'm sure I'll be able to handle them without too much trouble. First I'm going to rub my hands in dirt so that there's less chance he'll get my oils on him. I don't know, I just read that's something you should do when handling amphibians, since they do have some pretty delicate skin. Hey little guy, or girl, little one. Aw, so pretty. Whoop. No, he's not. It's not liking it. Just really beautiful. Feels pretty rough on the outside, the upper part, and soft on the underparts. Beautiful, the red eft. There you go, little fellow. Back to your home. Bye-bye.